This video is for the students who are preparing for JEE Advanced, and today JEE Advanced paper has been done, and paper 1 pattern students told, and what is the toughness level and all those things as the students feedback came. So I thought that it's good to share with the students who are preparing for the JEE, and they should know what kind of the pattern of the paper is coming up. So today, this means 28th October. This is, I'm talking about the paper 1 condition. Paper 1 have 3 segment of the paper 1 is there. Paper 1, which was conducted morning 9 o'clock onwards. So it's having the 3 sections, section 1, section 2, section 3. Means this is on the feedback of the students. Section 1 contained numeric type. It was numeric type. Numeric type means it may be decimal, integer, anything can be happened. Up to 2 decimal, you have to give the answer. Numeric type, and this was containing total 8 question. 8 question was there in the section 1. See, whole paper was divided in 3 sections. First section was containing 8 number of questions, right? And each question carry 3 marks each. Means 8 question was there, and each question carry 3 marks. Means 8 into 3, 24 marks was there for the numeric. I'm talking about each subject. There were 3 subjects. I hope structure of the subject all of you can understand. This is the paper. This is having 3 segments. One is the maths, another physics, and third one is the chemistry. And each one was having 3 sections. This is having 3 sections, this is having 3 sections, 3 sections. So I'm just talking about the one of the subject. Same pattern was there for the each one. So section 1 was numeric type, means you have to solve it. You are getting the answer 2.83, suppose, to 2.83 you have to write it, right? So you have to nearest up to 2 decimal you have to tell the answer. So 8 question was there. Each question was, if you mark correctly, if you answer correctly, you'll get the 3 marks. And if you get wrongly, the marks will not come. Means this section does not have the negative marks. That was the one of the good things was having. It was not having negative marks, no negative. Only this section was having no negative. Okay. So means students should try for all the question, whatever the approximation answer they are getting, they can. It's a risk-free area, right? So your marks will not be cutting. Section 2 was having your multiple choice of question. Means multiple choice, objective question, but multiple choice means more than one correct answer. One or more than one correct answer was there, right? And this was this section 2 having the 6 question. It having the 6 questions. Be clear. These are the giving you on the feedback of the students. 6 question was there, and each questions was containing 4 marks. So 6 into 4, right? 4 marks was there, and the only things was there. This was having the +4 and -2. What does mean it? If you mark it correctly, so it will be, you will be getting +4 marks, and if you mark wrongly, it will be -2. But the good thing was that it was containing partial marking. This was containing partial marking. What does mean by partial marking? That means, suppose if any question answer is the A, B, C, and you mark only A, B, you will get the part of marks. It will not be considered as a wrong. But if you mark A, B, D, it will be considered as a wrong. Understood my point? So this was the slightly dangerous, because -2 was there. Be clear, 50% is the negative marking was there, right? So section 1 containing 8 questions, section 2 containing 6 questions, and all 6 was more than one correct answer was there. Okay. And for positive marks, +4. If you all 3, suppose ABC answer, and you mark ABC, you'll get the full marks. If you mark parts half of this, AB or A, you'll get part of marks. And if you add any wrong option, so you'll get the negative marking. That was there. Section 3 was matching, matrix match. Section 3 was matrix match. Matrix match, I hope all of you are familiar with this. Two columns will be given to you and you have to see that this column, this particular is matching with what, this particular is matching with what, right? And it was containing your 4 questions. It was containing 4 questions. This was containing 4 questions, and it was marking system was the +3 and -1. Means +3 and -1 means what? 4 into 3. If you give all, so means 12 marks for this. And be clear, negative marking was there, -1 marks for wrong and +4 for correct. So finally, at the end of the day, if you see, this section total marks is the 24. This section total marks is 24, means 48, and this is the 12, means 58 plus 2, 60. So this total marks of the one subject, 60 marks was there. I hope you understood. There are 3 patterns was there: numeric type, multiple choice, and matrix match. There is no single correct. There is no passage based questions, right? So these 3 pattern was there into this one. So this section was containing no negative, but be clear, it's not fixed. Every year it will be seen, it will not be guaranteed. But advanced paper pattern always keep on changing, so you should be careful about this one. So this is the pattern paper we got it. Once we'll get the more data about the question, what were the question, I will be surely updating you with the which topic was asked questions and what was the level of the question into this one. Overall, what the feedback came. So I hope all of you understood this pattern of this one. Each subject was containing 3 sections. This section total marks is what? 24. This section total marks was what? 24. And this section total marks is 12. But in this section, though no negative, but there is the negative -2. Here is the negative -1 was there. So total 60 marks was there for the each subject. The total marks of the paper was the 180. Total marks 180, right? And as till now the feedback, this is not very much correctly because I didn't discuss to so many students, only few students to whom I know I discussed. According to that, maths was tough. Maths was tough and lengthy. This is the first impression what the people give into this. Physics, easy. They say it was easy. Let the question come in front of me, what the students are giving the memory based question. On that I will tell you exactly how far it's correct. And chemistry was, people say that it's a lengthy. Okay, more analysis we will be seeing very soon as I am getting the memory based question, right? So this was the discussion of paper 1. As the paper 2 update I am getting, I will surely update you. Thank you very much.